going to show you quickly how to fill in this type of a crack in a windowsill. So to fill this crack, all you need is some PL cement, crack and masonry caulking, because this will allow moisture and water to get underneath your window trim, which will cause problems. So you just want to put it in there. Make sure you squeeze it right down into the crack. Get as much on as possible. All the way around it. Then you can just take a small putty knife, smooth it out. It may be slightly a different color, but the most important thing is that the hole is filled. And just let that have some time to dry, and you won't have to worry about any moisture or water getting in.